What's up, guys? It's me again, and it's better. Anyway, what's up, guys? It's me again, airsoftdude451's. I haven't made any videos in kind of a month or so. I think a few weeks. And yeah, so today I'm gonna make a weird video of beatboxing, which is which is like this. It's rhythms that you, and like some kind of sounds that you make with your mouth. It's like. Things like that, but I can do better. See, and today I want to show you how to beatbox and make the raindrops on this. Okay, first the raindrop. See, what you really want to do is you want to have like good rhythm. Oh no, not good rhythm. You want to have like a good like that or something. I'm just not doing the raindrop. Okay. And you wanna get your fingers like that's like you're flicking something like a piece of paper like that, and it's like a magic stick and like something like that. Anyway, now let's get on with the raindrop. See, what you want to do is just want to get a full thing of air, breathe that in, and you want to go like this. And when you smack your lips while you're doing it, so I can do it without. Or I can do this. Or like this. Or like that in hand. Okay, now I'm gonna show you. Now I'm gonna just beatbox a random awesome beat. Please rate, comment, subscribe for this. Just subscribe, please. I really haven't had any subscriptions yet. And I'm trying to figure out this one beat that I used to make on one of my old videos on my friend's YouTube account. It's like kind of a Spanish word. You can't understand it. That's all I got for you today, guys, and I hope you liked it, kind of. So thank you for watching. Rate, comment, subscribe, bye. And rate 5 stars. Please. 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 Watch my mouth. It's not going to open when I say please. Please. See, watch. Please. 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 So, I'll see you guys later. Please rate, comment, subscribe. This is airsoftdude451's signing out.